Alright, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to sound like Jaydes. Not Jace. Jaydes. And I don't know why my shit lagging. Alright, so this would sound like without the preset.
It's so late at night, I'm stuck in the crib, I feel like a zombie, yeah. You niggas is my sons, can't get around me, yeah. Your girl on my DM, stand I follow, yeah. Came to my crib, she swallowed out.
Alright, that's what it sound like without no effects, just auto-tune. And I'm gonna show you what the presets sound like, you feel me?
Crazy.
It's so late at night, I'm stuck in the crib, I feel like a zombie, yeah. You niggas is my sons, can't get around me, yeah. Your girl on my DM, stand I follow, yeah. Came to my crib, she swallowed out.
I got ad-lib and a layering preset, so this is what the ad-lib sound like. It's an extra preset, so it's not really like a GH ad-lib preset, but yeah, you get the gist. And this is the layering preset right here.
Yeah, it's so late at night, I'm stuck in the crib, I feel like a zombie, yeah. You don't wanna take it there. Why'd you take my heart away? But I really got it. You want me to stray?
Yeah, alright, that's it.